Hi students, welcome back. This is Plus 2 Computer Science Chapter 8 Part 3 video. Before getting into the video, please do subscribe. So in the previous class you have learned modifying and deleting strings and string operators. And now you're going to learn string formatting operators, formatting characters and format function, built-in string functions, and finally membership operators. Okay children, now look at this example. Here we do have a variable. The name of the variable is name and we do have a string as its value. And here the second variable is mark and the value is number. And here we do have a print statement. Inside this print statement we do have string and then variable. Again string and then variable. So this is the format you have learned. Now what we are going to learn is string formatting operators. So let's execute this program. Let's see what happens. So name and then marks. It is displayed. See, in the place of name, we do get the string stored in that particular variable. In the place of mark, we do get the data stored in that particular variable. So that is what this output. This is a normal print statement. Now we are going to learn about string formatting operator. So let's insert the print statement with string operator. Here percentage is the string formatting operator. So this formatting operator percentage is used to construct strings, replacing parts of the string with the data stored in the variable. So look at the print statement. We do have string there. So inside the string we do have name. After colon we have written percentage yes. So what is percentage yes? That means we have to display the string stored in this particular variable. And then marks, next to marks we do have percentage d. So in this place, in percentage d, in that place we need to display the marks stored in the variable mark. So after writing all this inside the string, outside we should write percentage and write the names of the variable in the same order. So first we need to display the string and the name of the string variable is name, and second data is percentage d. See, integer means you have to write percentage d. If it is a given data is string means you have to write percentage yes. So here next to marks we need to display a number, so it is written percentage d. Name of the variable is mark. So just write like this and execute the program. You will get the same result. Look at this, name and mark. So this is what string formatting operators. So these are the format characters used to display specific variables. For character variable, percentage C is used. For integer variable, percentage D or percentage I is used. And for string variable, percentage S. And for unsigned decimal integer, percentage U. And for octal integer, percentage O. For hexadecimal integer, percentage X in capital letter or small letter. And for exponential notation, percentage E in capital or small letter. And floating point numbers, percentage F is used. And finally, to display short numbers in floating point or exponential notation, percentage D in lowercase or uppercase can be used. So all these are used in print statement within double quotes. And the next concept is escape sequence in Python. And this escape sequence starts with a backslash. This escape sequence displays graphical and non-graphical characters. So let's see one by one. So to print backslash, we have to use double backslash. While using single quotes to represent a string, we can use backslash along with single quotes to represent single quotes as a character given in the string. The same case with double quotes. And now all these are the non-graphical characters. /A, you can hear a bell sound. /B is used for backspace. /F, form feed. /N, line feed. it inserts a new line, /r carriage written, and /t horizontal tab, you will get a tab space, /v vertical tab, you will get vertical tab space. And then we do have slash with triple O to represent octal value. And finally, backslash with X and capital double H characters with hexadecimal value. So it is used to display hexadecimal value. So all this escape sequence are mainly used for formatting the given string. Especially these non-graphical characters are used to format the given string. Okay, now you're going to learn format function. Format functions are used within strings. This is just to format the given string. And here we do have open and close curly brackets, and they are used as placeholders or replacement field which gets replaced along with the format function. So let's see how to write format function and how it works. So look at this example. We do have two input variables and one resultant variable. And here in this print statement, we do have inside string, we do have three placeholders. And this placeholders variables are written in format function. So here it is. So we do have three variables inside format function. So the value of variable A will be displayed in this place. Value of variable B will be displayed in second placeholder, and the C will be displayed in third placeholder. So let's run the program. Enter the first number and press enter, and enter second number. Press enter to get the result. So look at this. First number, second number, and the sum. So this is how format function works. Okay, now you're going to learn about built-in string functions. And this built-in string functions are used to manipulate strings. So let's say one by one. First one is length function. Here we do have a variable, string variable, and the string value is welcome. And here we do have a print statement. Inside print statement, we have used length function. So len is the function, and inside we do have one argument, that is the name of the variable. And what it returns? It returns the length of the string, that is number of characters. It returns total number of characters. So you can do by manually, just count how many alphabets are there. That is the output given by this length function. Look at this. Total 7 characters are there, including space. So now we are going to learn capitalize function. So capitalize a given word. That means you have to write the initial character in capital letter. So here we do have welcome as the input. Now if you capitalize this word, W alone will be in capital letter. Okay, so this is what the function, capitalize function. To use that, you have to write variable dot capitalize function. So now if you want to represent the given string in uppercase letter, then use upper function. So this upper function returns the exact copy of the string with all letters in uppercase. Okay, look at this. We got the result in uppercase. Now you have another function. You can check whether the given string is in uppercase or not. So you can check that. For that we use is upper. So is upper function is used to check whether the given string is in uppercase or not. So if it is in uppercase, if this string is in uppercase, you will get the result as true, or else you will get the result as false. In string function, we used to write all the string function using variable dot and then the function name. Okay, now string variable, the value is given in uppercase letter, and here we do have a function called lower. So in case if you want to return the given string in lowercase letter, then use lower function. Say this type of questions you do get in 2 marks. So by looking at the function, you should be able to say what will be your result. Here we do have string in uppercase and the function is lower. Lower function will return lowercase. So your output will be welcome in lowercase. So if you want to check whether the given string is in lowercase or not, we do have a function called isLower. So isLower function will check whether the given string is lowercase or not. So let's run the program and it says false because here the given string is complete uppercase. So let's enter lowercase. Now execute the program. So you will get result as true. So you have learned capitalize function. It returns the first character as capital letter. Then you have learned upper function. So upper function will return the entire string in uppercase. Then lower function will return the entire string in lowercase, and is upper function returns true if the string is in uppercase, and is lower function returns true if the string is in lowercase. Now you have a new function that is called swap case. So let us use the function swap case. So swap case, it will change case of every character to its opposite case. So that is the meaning here. Here we do have the string hello world. H and W we do have in capital letter. Now look at the result, what happens. It swaps the case of the given string. So this is what swap case. And the next one is title function. So the title function returns the string in title case. So let's write the function name title. So here we do have all the characters in lowercase. So execute the program so you will understand. Only it capitalize the word. Look at this. Every single character is not going to be changed. It changes only the first character of each word. The next function is all num. So this is going to check whether the given data is alphabet or number. So it returns true if the string contains only letters and digits. And if it is containing alphanumeric characters, then it returns false. So look at the string. Here we do have alphabets, complete alphabets, but we do have space in between. So space comes under alphanumeric character. So let's see what will be the result. The result is false. It is because we do have space in between these two words. You can just ignore the space and then add some numbers to verify. Okay, let's run the program now. It says true. So here we do have only letters and digits. So it returns true. In case if you do have any space in between, that comes under special characters. So it returns false. Okay, the next function is alpha. It checks whether the given string is alphabet or not. If it is complete alphabet, then it returns true. So it returns true if the string contains only letters, not like the previous case. Previous was alphabet and number, but here it is only for alphabets. So in this case it returns true. And let us try with some numbers. It returns false. And the next function is digit function. So this returns true only if the string contains digit, that means numbers. So it verifies the given string is number or not. If it is number, it returns true. If it is alphanumeric characters or alphabet and numbers, it returns false. So three different functions we have learned. One is all num, that is alphabet and number. So it returns true if the string contains only text and digit, letters and digits. And the next function is alpha. So this function returns true only if the string contains letters. And the last one is digit. So is digit returns if the string contains only numbers. The next function is center. So center function has two parameters. One is width and the other one is fill character. So here we have written the string as welcome, and in center function we request the width to be 15. So just imagine 15 boxes are there. In that 15 boxes we have to write this words welcome in center, and the remaining boxes you have to fill with asterisk symbol. So just look at the output. Yeah, this is what the output. So in some cases the fill characters will not be even at the front and back. So let me show you that also. If I increase the number as 16, let's see the fill character how it is adjusted. So 4 here and 5 here. In between we do have the text. So evenly we have to do it. In case if you're not able to make it even, that is a fill character even at both the side, at the end you can increase the number, and this works with space. Let me increase number here. So you have to count the space as one character. So look at this. And the next function is find function. So find function is used to search for the characters given in the string, and it returns the index at which the substring is present. So here we do have find function, and inside this parameter we have given two characters, that is MA, and it is going to search from this particular string. It says the first character index value. So it starts at 0. So look at this. M starts at 0. Now here you have two more parameters. You can start the searching from specified index. So I don't want to start from first index onwards. I just want to start from second index. So you can give the start value there and search the data. The next MA characters occurs from third index. You can count it occurs in third index onwards, and also you do have end value. Okay, so you can give the end number. So from 2 to 4, index 2 to 4, you're going to search whether this character is present or not. So it returns -1. So if the search goes failed, if these characters are not there in this particular index, it returns -1. So the next function is count function. This function is used to count the number of occurrence of the given string. It can be a particular character, or you can count a group of characters. Number of occurrence you can count using this function. So now in this example we are going to count how many times the character E is present in this particular string. So it is 2. It is simple and easy, children. You have to note the function name. Accordingly, you have to do the action. If it is asked for count, you have to count how many times the alphabets are repeated. Here we do have again two more parameters. One is the start value and the end value. So remember, whenever start and end value is given, it is just the index of the given string. So for example, let me write the start value. I'm going to count from 0th index, and I have to stop. I'm going to stop with the third index. So third means it will work up to 2. So end value will work one number less. That is, if you are giving 3, it works up to 2. That is the end value. Just count the index value from 0 to 2. How many times character E is occurred? So let's run the program. It is only one time. So this is the way to count, and almost we have covered all the function. And odd function and character function we have seen in the previous class itself. So ignoring that, let's move on to membership operators. So membership operators are in and not in. So these two operators are used to check whether a string is present in another string. So first of all, here we do have a first variable, string variable. We get the data at the runtime, and here second variable we do have the data, that is Chennai. Now here we are comparing that whether Chennai is stored in the first string or not. So whether we check whether second string is present in the first string or not. So we use in operator. So let's run the program. So enter the data and press enter. Look at this. I have given Chennai GHS and the second string is found. So we do get if statement executed. So it depends upon the input. And in function is just to check whether it is present or not. So that's it. We have completed 8th chapter and we do have so many programs. Please go through all the functions. Try to do manually. Then check the answer using this online editor. That's all for today. Thank you.